So now let's actually start moving. So we first started off with our palmas, and then we did our manos, the hands, and braceo with the arms. Now we're going to work on marcaje, which is just marking, or the travel steps. So we're going to start off with stepping forward and to the side. Step forward to the side. Now when you're doing this, you want to keep that back foot planted, so you don't want to lift up that leg. It's not salsa, okay? So you want to step forward and relax your hip a little bit, and then step to the side, and step forward and to the side. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So I put a little bit of weight on that front leg, and then I switch and place all my weight onto the right so that I can lift the left leg, put a little bit of weight on that left leg, lift, and transfer it all to the side. So again, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So just the quick front view would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and front to the side, front to the side. Now, whenever you're learning flamenco or working on anything in flamenco, you want to get the feet first before we start adding the arms and the hands. I'll show you the arms and hands right now, but just in case, like if anything starts kind of not working, just keep your hands on your hips to get the feet solid first, okay? So we're gonna add our arm. So right leg, right arm, and forward and back down, lift forward and back down, okay? So we have and forward with the right arm and back down, forward with the right arm and back down. So we have and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now if you're comfortable, we can add the hand. So the hand is going to go out and then hold, and out and hold, and out and hold, and out and hold. Okay, so again, if at any point that it's not, the coordination isn't happening, get the feet first, then you could add the arm, and then you add the hand. Okay, so before we practice with music, let's try again. Just step forward to the side, step forward to the side, and forward to the side, and forward to the side. One more time, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's our first marking. We're going to add one more. So that was just what I called a front step. And now this next one, we're going to do a side step. So just like I say, you're going to go to the side. So we have step out, hold, back, step. Out, hold, back, step. Side, hold, back, step. Side, hold, back, step. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we could add our hands and arm. So it'll just the same thing, right arm, right leg. So we have out, param, ba. Switch, left, ba-dum, ba. And right, ba-dum, ba. And left, ba-dum, ba. And then we can add the hand, out, and out, ba-dum, ba. So front view would be out, ba-dum, ba. Left, ba-dum, ba. And right, ba-dum, ba. And left, ba-dum, ba. All right, so let's put that combination together. So we have, we'll practice just our marking first, and then we're gonna put it all together with our palmas, and then our hands and arms, and then we'll work on the marking step. Okay, but first let's drill just that front and side marking with solo compás. Okay, get ready. So front marking, side. So we gotta relax the hips. Front, side, front, side, front, side. Okay, let's add the arm. Ba, 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 ba. And let's add the hand. Hand, out, out, out. Bump, bump, bump. Good. Let's rest up with palmas. Then let's go into our side marking. 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and out. Back step, side, back step, side, back step, side, back step, side, step, side. Bum, bum, bum. Now the arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1. 4, 1, 2, 1, 4. And now the hand, out, and out. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Ole. Let's do it. Let's combine them. Just go from the front marking for 8, and then directly into the side marking. Okay? Here we go.